Well, I'm out here walking around checking on my fig trees, and I guess that mild winter did them some good. You know, I have several of these that are just fucking loaded with fruit this year. Literally every tree that I walk up on just has a ton of fruit on it. Now these are my black missions. Now I have a lot of these trees because this is the first fig that I started with, and that was about 6 years ago. Look at that one. All kinds of them on there. My elderberries are turning too. Now this is one of my Celeste trees. Look at that, they're already changing color. Almost there. This thing is just gonna have so many figs on it. I'm glad I planted more of these. Here's my other Celeste tree. These ones have kind of had a rough go at it, but they're finally starting to produce fruit. But they look happy. See, they died back this winter. I need to cut the rest of that off. And this one is my LSU purple. See, I got a bunch of those. This thing's gonna be fucking loaded too. I started some more of these trees as well, so hopefully I can get more of these going because these are really good producers.